In this video, the auditor is undertaking a Stage 1 readiness assessment in a central location of a client that is seeking IATF 16949 certification under a corporate scheme. Watch the video and determine if the auditor is complying with the IATF rules 6th edition requirements.
So, good morning. I'm here to do the Stage 1 readiness review in this central location. So can you explain your role to me, please?
Absolutely. So I'm James. I'm the quality tech here, responsible for day-to-day management of our centrally controlled quality management system. I'm based in the design center as I live close to here.
Okay, and who do you report to?
So I report to the quality manager, who is also based here, but she travels extensively to the sites around the world. She reports to the group CEO who's located in the US.
Okay, and is she here today?
No, she's traveling all week.
Oh, okay, thanks. Is there anyone else here in the central team?
Yep, so we have 2 other quality technicians and then 2 administrators.
Okay, and what activities are performed at this central location?
Yeah, so we define the structure of the quality management system. We have a group quality manual, which defines the high-level processes and shows the interactions between the central location, the sites, and standalone support locations.
Okay, and what about internal audits?
Yeah, so we're audited annually by a competent auditor from a site. The audits are a centrally managed process.
Oh, okay then. I will look at that report in a minute. What about the audit program for the sites?
So the audit program for the sites are managed at a site level. We have no involvement in the audit program. We do ask the sites to supply us with their programs and records of their audits, and as we produce a monthly report to summarize to my boss.
Okay, and what about management review?
So the group quality manager holds an annual review with the plant heads and the CEO. The minutes of these meetings are confidential, so I cannot access them. I can arrange a Teams meeting in the next week for you to review these with the quality group manager, if that will work with you.
No, sorry, I'm auditing all week.
So let's summarize. The Stage 1 readiness assessment has not been well planned. The assessment cannot be undertaken effectively with a quality technician. The IATF rules state that the Stage 1 readiness assessment, the auditor shall require the client's relevant top management and management team members to demonstrate the quality management system and communicate other information as needed for the auditor to understand and confirm the items required in the mandatory fields in the IATF CARA Stage 1 Readiness Assessment Report. There is also a concern if the client is eligible for a corporate scheme certification. It seems that the central location play no role in defining the quality management system internal audit program. The rules state to be eligible for corporate scheme, the client must have a centrally managed internal quality management system audit program. If this was found, this would be a concern and the client would be deemed not ready for the central location, meaning that no audit activities, whether it be Stage 1 or Stage 2, could take place at any site until this was resolved. Resolution could be the central location addresses the concerns, or sites pursuing certification pursue certification as single sites and not in a corporate scheme.